Hey.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay, here we go. Hey, do you like to play games? Cici and I actually love games, so we have a very fun Valentine Day inspired game. Hopefully we're still married afterwards.
I would hope so. I would certainly hope so. So Jason and I thought this would be a fun game. We're basically playing the questions game, right? So I am going to ask some questions. We've got some little cards here with each other's names on them, and we're going to see who does what in this relationship. So we would love to hear some of your answers in the comments as well. So feel free to play along. I'm just going to check and see. Nope, it's not on my page yet. So let me just share this to my page.
There we go.
All right, let's play. So, question number 1. Who's up first in the morning?
Oh,
Super easy.
super easy.
Yeah. Jason. Jason is always up, butt crack of dawn, making noise. Okay, question number 2. Who takes longer to get ready? What?
Because usually I'm already ready.
Okay. Jason's the person in the family, so that's a little, that one doesn't make any sense. Number 3, who's the messiest?
Oh, real easy.
Yeah.
I'm a clean freak.
Yeah, and I'm not dirty, but I do leave things all over the place, right? Like my desk gets like cluttered very easily, but I know where things are.
Yeah, like the tweezers.
Yeah.
They'll be like in a shoe somewhere. But she knows where they are.
Right. I'm actually, okay, he's right. I misplace a lot of things. I misplace a ton of things. Okay. Who spends more money?
Oh, that's an easy one.
Listo?
Yep. Yep.
Totally Jason. Jason is like a total incredulous spender. That's his jam.
Says the person that went and got a doctorate degree.
Okay. He has a point. Who hogs the bed?
Let's see if she be honest. Ready?
Ready.
Yes.
Although the real answer, Boris.
Yes.
Boris takes up all the space in the bed. But if Jason happens to get up in the middle of the night, he needs to use the restroom, I'm probably going to be sprawled across his side.
And that's why I'm up at the butt crack of dawn.
Hilarious. Okay, who's the better driver? This one's super easy.
Oh, yeah.
Super easy.
Booyah.
Yeah, I don't like to drive. I hate to drive. Like the first time when Jason and I were first dating, like he was backing up the car and I was like super impressed because I don't back things up. Like I just feel like it's a recipe for a car accident. So like, totally.
I have to thank the military. When I was in Kuwait, I had a lot of accidents there. Some intentional, some not.
Wow.
But I learned how to parallel park and I learned how to back up a car good.
And I never learned how to parallel park. And I used to hate with like a passion if I had to back out or get into spaces weird. Like I am the person that parks all the way in the back so that no one can touch my car. So Jason's definitely the better driver.
Once you get to parallel park a tank, a car is pretty easy.
Yeah. Better driver, he wins that one. Okay, next question. Who's funnier? Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. I'm shocked. I'm kind of like quirky. Like, not like traditionally, like I'm going to stand up and tell jokes. Like that probably isn't going to happen. But I like to laugh and have fun.
Yeah, it's like a Seinfeld. No, I like that type of comedy. So.
Dry humor, that's easy. Okay, that's hilarious. Okay. Who's the grumpiest?
Oh, that's an easy one.
Yep. Jason is totally the moody person in this relationship. Bet you didn't expect that one. Okay? This one's pretty basic. This one's going to be really easy. Who's more clumsy?
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't even have to put it up. Let me answer. Right? I fall over everything. Like, I have twisted my ankle so many times, it's not even funny. Like, I win the clumsy award.
Then there's times we're walking, she'll be like, why are you grabbing me? Like, you don't see this big hole here? It's like a sinkhole, and she just walked into it. Right?
You know what's funny? For the past like 3 days, she's been going, there's a door there. I have literally been walking into the door, going into my office space, like every day. There's a door there. I see the door, I still manage to hit it. So there you go. Who's the clumsiest? I win. Definitely win. Who's most likely to get lost?
Oh. I'll let you answer that one.
Without a doubt. Without a doubt. I am directionally challenged. Let me know if you're someone who's really good with directions. Jason literally will hop on a bus. Like, we live in a foreign country. We're in our third country, right? So we've lived in Panama, now we're in Colombia. Jason just gets on the bus or gets on a train or hops in a taxi and is like, I'll figure my way out. I don't do that. Like, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be lost, and I will not find my way home. Like, that is, I don't know how to read a map. I don't know north from south. Let me know if you relate. If you are somebody who doesn't know north from south, from east from west, we are not alone.
Yeah, it was funny because yesterday I went out to the downtown area with a Venezuelan friend. And she was like, I never rode the bus before. I've been terrified. Like, how did you figure this out? I was like, I just got on the bus.
He does that. He just gets on like it's normal in a foreign country where you don't necessarily speak the language. And he's like, I'll find my way. I'm good at that. Like, oh my gosh. In Panama, it was much easier because the buses just went one way or the other. So like, I could be okay, right? I could be all right in that situation. But yeah, not here. Not here. There's buses going all over the place.
Medellin's in a circle.
Yeah.
So it's, if you go on the wrong street, if like a transversal, you can't get out. It's complicated here.
Helps that I'm an introvert. I don't even want to go places most of the time. So that's a good one. Okay. Oh, who's better at managing finances?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree. I agree.
I'm the spender. Hey, I like to spend money.
He is the spender. He is definitely the spender.
Looking good is not cheap.
Touche. Touche. That's a good one. Who's the one? Who's the prissier of the two?
Yes. Friday mani pedi is almost here.
That's right. Like, he's like all the time. All right, let's see. Oh, who snores the loudest?
Oh, easy. I'll let you answer. Yeah.
Totally me. I'm a snorer. It's terrible. It's terrible. You'd think that the man would be no, it's me. Okay, last one. Who does the most chores around the house?
That's a good one. Ready?
Listo?
See. Yes.
100%.
So, I don't know why, but most people don't think I like to cook and stuff. Like, it's funny when I hear guys are like, oh, I can't cook, I can't do this. I'm like, what do you do, man? I love cooking. I love cooking. So, like, it's hard for me to eat out, especially when someone can't cook. Like,
yes.
that's where the grumpiness
okay,
comes.
so he's picky when he eats. But in terms of chores, Jason is really great. Like, I am one lucky woman. Like, washes dishes, he takes out the trash, he does the cooking, he'll take care of the laundry. Like, I'll fold it, but he'll make sure it gets washed.
Yeah,
like,
I won't fold it.
He's so much better at all of those things, and so I let him have it. So that's the game right there. What did you learn about us? What didn't you expect? I'd love to hear some of your answers. What are some of the things that your partner does? Let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, we hope you have a fabulous week.
And a great Valentine's Day.
And a great Valentine's Day coming up on Friday.
Yes.
Till next time.
Ciao.